Come test drive the 2017 Allroad. The Allroad from the German car manufacturer Audi are crossover-style luxury cars. Based on the A6, the Allroad gives off-road capabilities, allowing drivers to tackle varying terrain in the comfort and style of an Audi. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.